Amidst the modern forest, this is where we create refreshing, cool breezes.
Today, we are going to build a complete air conditioner.
I am new here. I hope to learn from everyone.
Just do not break the compressor. I need some cool air right now.
The frame must be sturdy.
This is really heavy.
Not used to the work yet?
Break it down into smaller pieces to handle it.
All components are accounted for.
Out of the way! Express delivery!
I did it!
It must be precise.
No! It doesn't fit!
Slow down, align it straight. Such a waste of time. Spinning like a hurricane.
That is better. Meet standards.
Much better.
This is the important part. Let me handle it.
I can.
Hiss! There is a strange smell!
Gas leak!
It is because Cat stood too close!
I haven't done anything yet.
The pipe is threaded incorrectly. It was not Cat.
If it is wrong, fix it. Do not cast blame.
I was in a rush.
Let me do it this time.
Teamwork saves the day!
The system is operational.
It is stable.
That feels really cool.
You did a good job.
Success comes from trusting one another.
The air conditioner doesn't just create cool wind, It cools down misunderstandings and brings everyone together.